everyone, and welcome back to your EVS classes. So in EVS we are going to start with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Our House. So as we all know that before starting a chapter we have to take the pencil in the hand and the eraser, and you have to take the book and keep it in front of you, and between your eyes and your book there should be a distance. Okay, so let's start with the chapter Our House. Read aloud the reading. Our house. Like food and water, house too is one of our basic needs. Okay, so you will underline this word basic. Basic means कि कॉमन, जो हमारी बेसिक नीड्स है, जो कॉमन नीड है, जिनके बिना हमारा काम नहीं चलना है. सो जैसे कि फूड एंड वाटर, like food and water is very important in our life. Without food and water we cannot survive for long. So likewise house too is very important, okay, because one cannot live without a house for long. The early humans used to live in caves or on trees. So early humans means the people, those who were living before us, very early humans, the born ages of humans. Okay, so वो कहाँ पे रहते थे? They used to live in caves or on trees. या तो वो गुफा में रहते थे, they used to live in cage or on the trees. Slowly they learned to build houses. You will underline learned and build. Okay, but slowly and gradually they learned how to make a house. We live in a house. A house protects us from rain, cold, heat, dust and insects. So this line is very important, so you will underline this whole line. A house protect us, हमारी रक्षा करता है किससे? From rain, cold, heat, dust and insects. Okay, so this is very true. हमें हाउस किससे बचाता है? रेन से, ठंडी से, हीट से, गर्मी से, डस्ट से, धूल, and insects and all kinds of animals, creepers or insects. It also protects us from animals and thieves. See here, animals or thieves means the person who steals. जो चोर होते हैं, so वो हम लोगों को thief से भी बचाता है. So we keep our belongings safe in our house. Belongings means हमारी personal चीज़ें which belongs to us. So हम लोग इसको कहाँ रखते हैं? We keep it in our house. So we have finished first paragraph. Now let's come to second paragraph, and it says types of houses. So let's see how many types of houses are there. Houses made of mud, you will keep on underlining. Mud, sticks, straws and leaves are called kacha house. So you can make a star over here. So this is one kind of house, and this is kacha house. Basically we have seen in our village also. Now villages are also now they are developing and they are growing each day. So hardly we see kacha house in our village, but at the roadside when we go in outer areas, so we can see kacha house. Okay, so one kind is kacha house, and how it is made up of? It is made up of mud, sticks, straws and leaves. Such houses are mostly seen in villages. Okay, and as I told you that basically we see it in villages. They are weak and do not last long. You will underline this weak. Children, here you can see W-E-A-K, and there is one week also, W-E-E-K. Okay, so this week means that 7 days in a week, hafta. Okay, and this week means kamzor, W-E-A-K. So please remember this difference. And do not last long. तो जो कच्चा हाउस होते हैं, जैसे कि वो मिट्टी से बने होते हैं, so वो बहुत ही कमज़ोर होते हैं. They are weak and वो बहुत ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं रहते हैं, बहुत सालों तक नहीं रहते हैं, and they get vanish. So houses which are made of bricks, wood, cement and steel are called pakka house. So you will underline this: wood, cement, steel are called pakka house. Okay, so second type of house is pakka house. First type of house was kacha house, and pakka house you can see in the picture. Okay, this is made of, let's see what it is made of. Pakka houses are mostly found in towns and cities. So basically ये शहरों में पाया जाता. Okay, यहाँ पे एक चीज़ दी हुई, do not forget. So you will read this also. We must keep our house and surroundings clean. सो हमें अपने हाउस और सराउंडिंग्स जहाँ हम रहते हैं उसके आसपास के एरिया को भी क्लीन रखना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट कि आपने अपना घर साफ़ रख लिया तो आप साफ़ हो गए. डैट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी गुड एटिकेट. ओके, जहाँ पे आप रहते हैं उसके आसपास की चीज़ें भी क्लीन होनी चाहिए. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि आपने अपने घर का कूड़ा जस्ट यू हैव डम्प्ड in front of your house or at the back side of your house, then also the insects and the mosquitoes and the flies will born and it will infect you only. So it is very harmful for us, so we have to keep the surroundings also clean. Okay, so moving on. Nowadays pakka houses are found even in villages. As I told you that villages are getting modernized and they are developing each day. So now we can see pakka houses in villages also. They are much stronger than कच्चा house. Stronger. Okay, stronger means ज़्यादा मजबूत होता है कच्चा house के comparison. People in cities live in their own houses or multi-story buildings. This is highlighted and you will underline this also. So cities में आपने देखा होगा या तो वो घरों में रहते हैं, either they live in the house और multi-story building, जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा स्टोरी होती है, लाइक एक के ऊपर एक बना होता है, तो उसको मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग्स कहते हैं. इन दीज बिल्डिंग्स देयर आर मैनी फ्लैट्स और अपार्टमेंट्स. तो इन बिल्डिंग्स में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे अपार्टमेंट होते हैं और बहुत सारे फ्लैट्स होते हैं. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, ये एक बिल्डिंग है, दिस इज़ अ बिल्डिंग, एंड यहाँ पे देखिए एक फ्लैट ये है, एक फ्लैट ये है, एक फ्लैट. देयर आर मल्टी स्टोरी फ्लैट्स और बिल्डिंग्स. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings which may even have 100 stories. See, you can see here in the picture. Basically, we cannot see in this in Sultanpur or in the small towns or cities. Basically, we can find this in big cities or metropolitan cities. So this is a skyscraper. This is a building which can even carry 100 stories. Okay, can you imagine? Have you seen these? If you have not seen, you can Google the pictures. Okay, you can write skyscrapers and you can see the buildings which will come. So skyscrapers are very tall buildings which may even have 100 stories. You can underline this. Most people work and settle at one place. So, but some people have to move from one place to place. They live in temporary or moving houses. You will underline temporary or moving houses, such as caravan, tent, houseboat, etc. So जो बहुत से लोग होते हैं जो अपनी ही बर्थ प्लेस पे काम नहीं करते हैं, जहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ लोगों का घर सुल्तानपुर में है और इवन लखनऊ में. सो दे डोंट वर्क इन द सेम प्लेस बट दे वर्क इन अनदर प्लेस. सो जहाँ पे भी हम जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम घर तो नहीं खरीद सकते. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एवरीबडी. खरीद सकते हैं बट इट इज़ रेयरली पॉसिबल फॉर एवरीबडी. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी टेक टेम्प्रेरी हाउस. हम लोग इधर वी टेक ऑन रेंट, या तो हम लोग एक टेम्प्रेरी हाउस बनाते हैं. तो उस हाउस को क्या कहते हैं, कैरावान, टेंट और हाउस बोट. ठीक है, सो दे लिव इन कैरावान, टेंट और हाउस बोट. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. और ये सारे हाउसेस की क्वालिटी क्या होती है, दे कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. हमें इन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भी ले जा सकते हैं. ओके, and this is a fact it is given here. You can read this. Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. So you should know this. There's Burj Khalifa in Dubai and that is the tallest building in the world. So moving on to page number 59, the next page. A caravan is a house on wheels. So caravan is a house on wheels. You can see in the picture. So यहाँ पे पहिए हैं. Wheels means पहिए. Okay. So you will underline wheels. Nomads live in caravans. Nomads lives in caravan. So you can underline the nomads. It is movable and can be parked anywhere. And ये movable होता है, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जा सकते हैं. And we can park it also. Anywhere we can park it. Now moving on to next page. Next paragraph. A tent is a temporary house made of canvas. एंड जो टेंट होता है यहाँ पे यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, इट्स अ टेम्प्रेरी हाउस एंड विच इज़ मेड ऑफ कैनवस. कैन अंडरलाइन कैनवस. इट इज़ ईजी टू पुट अप. और ये बहुत ईजीली बन जाता है. इट कैन ईजीली बी फोल्डेड एंड कैरी टू एनी अदर प्लेस. एंड इसको बहुत ईजीली हम लोग फोल्ड कर सकते हैं, उसको किसी भी जगह पे वी कैन टेक इट. टेंट्स आर मोस्टली यूज्ड बाय माउंटेनियर्स, मिलिट्री एंड पिकनिक कैंपर्स. और जो टेंट्स होते हैं वो बेसिकली कौन लोग यूज़ करते हैं? जो माउंटेनियर्स होते हैं, जो लोग माउंटेन्स पे रहते हैं, या दे आर गोइंग ऑन द माउंटेन्स, और द मिलिट्री पीपल, because the military people also have to move from one place to another at any time, and the picnic campers. So basically the tent is used by these people. So today we will read this much, and in next video we will continue with the same chapter. So you will read the chapter again from starting. Okay, just find out what is the difference between a kacha house and a pakka house, what is a multi-story building, what is a skyscrapers, and what is a tent. Okay, so you will come to know the difference. And children, when you will write the chapter, you can paste the picture accordingly on the white page of your EVS copy after writing the chapter. Okay, so I think now I am clear to you, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.